born and brought up in Mumbai and facing various civic issues that people talk about, that administrators and policymakers discuss about, and on which public policies and even welfare schemes are formed. I felt that somehow gaining practical experience is also very much important.
कोई फेलोशिप ढूंढ भी रहा था लाइक वो टाइम से, तो जहाँ मुझे फील्ड पे कुछ काम करने का मौका मिले या कुछ रिसर्च करने का मिले तो प्रजा वाज वन ऑफ देम.
The reason I joined this fellowship was because in our course we study the relations between different nations, the region-specific study. But to know more about urban governance, how governance works in the city level, how at the grassroots level. So to know more about how my own city functions, I decided to join this fellowship.
I was unaware of that things initially. Like many things, they are how to work with the elected councillors, what are their problems, what are the challenges faced by them. There are many things. I think the accountability, transparency, what are the actual loggerheads.
फेलोशिप स्टार्ट विद द ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम, जहाँ पे 7 डेज़ में हमें थ्योरेटिकल एक्सपोजर दिया गया, जहाँ पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल का फंक्शन, सिटी गवर्नेंस का फंक्शन, स्ट्रक्चर सब डिटेल में गाइडेंस दी गई. साथ ही वी हैड अ विजिट्स विद एमएलए काउंसिलर्स, वार्ड ऑफिसर्स. विद दिस ओरिएंटेशन वी केम टू नो ओवरऑल पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट द सिटी गवर्नेंस.
I had joined the fellowship program quite later than the others. So I was afraid whether I'll be able to fit in with the others, whether I'll be able to make connections, or whether I'll be able to even speak up with others. But when I came to the office and when I met the staff there, when I met the other fellows there, it was a professional environment, but at the same time it was a more comforting environment as well. So which is why I felt more relaxed and more homely.
जब अर्बन गवर्नेंस वर्क करने को मिला तो मुझे इसमें यहाँ पे लखनऊ वर्कशॉप CPR पर वर्क करने को मिला, जिसमें मैंने CPR में महत्वपूर्ण रोल अपना निभाया. उसमें 155 एट्रीब्यूट्स थे जिसको मैंने पूरा डेटा एनालिसिस किया, पूरा एक्ट को पढ़ा पूरी तरीके से. 1959 एक्ट, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन एक्ट पढ़ा मैंने. फिर उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पे देखा कि इस प्रजा फाउंडेशन में मैंने प्रशासनिक लोगों से भी बातचीत की, उनके साथ मैंने कार्य किया. फिर मैंने पार्षदों से भी बातचीत करी, उनसे भी बात किया, उनके साथ वर्कशॉप में मैंने काम किया. उनको सशक्त करने के लिए हमारा फाउंडेशन वर्क करता है.
So during this fellowship, I was mainly assigned to work with the research team, and therein I got the opportunity to work for 2 flagship reports of Praja. The first was Urban Governance Index 2024, and secondly the Fiscal Empowerment of City Governments, which is the finance report. So under this there were approx 31 cities for Urban Governance Index and around 43 cities included in the finance report. For these reports I studied the primary data collected by the Praja team. We also did secondary research and also studied the municipal acts of respective states.
I get to know about actually what are the challenges, the complexities of urban municipal corporation. And then we also fortunate enough to visit Delhi, the launch of the UGI Index 2024.
One memorable anecdote I remember is when we were assigned a small field work relating to street vending, where not only I went to the field to understand the problems faced by the street vendors, but also gained a few insights on how we can make their life simpler.
I'm a part of dialogue team where I learn a lot of things. I start with the data collection where we have to go ward office. Collecting data from the ward office not an easy thing. We have to wait lot of hours. Like उनकी बातें सुनना, वो बोलते वहाँ पे जाओ तो वहाँ पे जाना. This all the things we face. After that we collected data, then start with the data entry, then research.
My high point during this fellowship was my counselors workshop. I was given the opportunity to interact with the counselors and personally invite them. When they had an interaction with each other, with us, I got to know that how deprived they are with the powers they should have and which has been prescribed in the act but they are not in practice. I have observed that counselors need a platform to express their feelings, and through that platform we try to make them aware that they have the power, they have the right, that they can collectively demand to make changes.
One specific area was the empowerment of women councillors. I regularly went to those women councillors whose work were usually handled by their husbands or the elderly members of the family. My purpose was very simple, that if those women councillors will not raise their voice in their general body meetings, then it won't serve the purpose of the 74th constitutional amendment.
One of the major highlights of my journey was the designing of Fiscal Empowerment of City Governments Report 2024.
तो वसई विरार सिटी म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का हमने फाइनेंस स्टडी किया था, जिसमें हम जो भी म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का ओन सोर्स रेवेन्यू कैसे बढ़ाए और कैसे एक अच्छा अच्छे तरीके से एक रेवेन्यू जनरेट किया जा सकता है कौन से पॉलिसीज़ पे, वो बहुत एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा। पूरे जो ऑफिशियल्स थे उनके साथ एक अच्छा खासा वर्कशॉप हुआ था 2 दिन का, तो ये बहुत हाईलाइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस था महाराष्ट्र डोमेन में काम करके।
While working with Praja, I also contributed to the Gurugram Climate Action Plan, which revealed the extent of climate crisis and its impact on people.
Prajatantra 2024, I got a lot opportunity to interact with many peoples, like with many participants from all over the India. I got chance to host the cultural night. I really enjoyed with my fellows, with my team, with Praja team, and with other participants too.
If I talk about the most important key takeaway that I got from the fellowship is that now I see every problem through a solution-oriented approach.
This fellowship has equipped me with lots of skill, knowledge and a network to create positive change. I'm really grateful to Praja Foundation to give me such a great opportunity to work with the different sectors of urban local bodies and to be part of a change maker.
This journey of 8-9 months has been extraordinary for me. This journey has packed a lot of emotions within the treasures. This includes adventures, trainings, learnings, exposure.
Best things about this fellowship is if you are someone who's looking to actually make a change and step away from social media to do that, I think this fellowship is perfect for you. I got to be a field officer for the city of Aurangabad in Maharashtra, where I got to meet the commissioner of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, where I got to meet the additional commissioner, and I got to talk to the citizens of Aurangabad on climate resilience in their city, what the corporation is doing for them, and sort of help bridge the gap between the corporation and the citizens in general, which as an 18-year-old, I never thought I would get to travel across the state and conduct such beautiful and impactful studies.
मेरी फीलिंग ये है कि जब मैं प्रजा में स्टार्टिंग में आया था तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं पता था, मैं कुछ नहीं था, एक तरीके से मतलब बेसिक नॉलेज नहीं था, लेकिन प्रजा में आने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि मेरे अंदर बहुत सारे स्किल्स हैं.
While retreating from this journey, which was a transformatory one for me, I have become a better person right now who has realized her basic civic responsibilities towards her city, as well as it actually gave me an opportunity to contribute myself towards sustainable urban development.